everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Spill the Breyer Fest Lemonade. This is day 2 of Virtual Breyer Fest, and so we are going to talk about it a little bit. First of all, I'm going to start out by saying we're going to go over the store specials because I think that's the biggest issue that people are having. Okay, so I got up again this morning. I think I got on right at 9 o'clock Eastern time. As per usual, things were out of stock. And so I'd been reading in the comments, and people have said that the things that they did manage to get, they had been like refreshing the page over and over and over again until a restock happened. I was on last night and I almost had Benelli, but I ran out of time and I lost him. Okay, that was at about 8:20 my time. And I think that would have been like 10:30 Eastern. No, that doesn't make any sense. They restocked later than 10:30 then. That was the last restock that I saw, you know. I almost had Benelli. I lost him, okay? So this morning I kind of decided that, okay, I'm going to try what everyone else is saying and just keep hitting the refresh button, and see if I can get in, if I can get a store special. So anyway, I just kind of set about doing that. It's really, really monotonous and it takes forever, but I kept refreshing. So then I was just sitting on the back porch with my dog like I do every morning. I refreshed and Benelli came into stock. And so I was sitting there, I had my card ready. And so I was sitting there, I quick put him in the cart and I was able to get him. And it was just like, whoa, that was fast. That was intense. My heart is pounding from like the nervousness and the anxiety, but I got the horse that I wanted. So what I really would say is if you are still trying to get a store special, a regular matte version of a store special, just try that method. Show up early, keep literally just refreshing the page and checking if it's in stock, refreshing the page, checking if it's in stock, over and over and over again until that particular item is released, and then just put it in the cart and check it out right away. I did not even bother trying to go back and put another item in the cart. Just get that one because it literally goes that fast. So that is how I got the store special that I really had wanted. I just wanted one, and I wanted a matte. Yesterday evening, Breyer came on and announced that as kind of like, you know, an apology and thank you to everyone for being so patient throughout the first day of Breyer Fest, that they were going to offer all of the store specials as a glossy pre-order that would come in December. So I know that I'm sure that probably made a lot of people happy. I had thought about that last night, and I just actually looking at Glossy Benelli, I do not like it as much as I like the matte version. It's just a little too, I don't like the pink in the, like all over his, like under his legs and on his face. It's too, it doesn't quite look right. I just wasn't interested. I did not want a Glossy Benelli. I'm glad I was able to get the matte one. WH Top Gun is really pretty glossed. I don't want him, but he's very pretty. So Breyer did offer that. You know, if you want to pre-order one, it would come in December. I don't even think there's a limit. I think you can get as many as you want. So that is really nice of them, that if you did really want one, you'd be able to pre-order a glossy that would come later in the year. I did manage to get Era. I had wanted this horse. I just think it's really cute. It's supposed to be clear. I thought it was really cute. It's just a sweet face. I don't have a whole lot of stable mates, but I thought this one was nice and wanted to get it, so I did manage to get it. It took, like I said, it took a lot of refreshing, checking back, a lot of dedication to get this little green horse. That is my haul, I guess, if you want to say, for today. Was Benelli and Ere. Oh, a tip I wanted to give is that whilst I was waiting for Ere, there was a restock that came up, but they did not restock everything. It was just like the stablemate set. It was Green Man. Benelli, for a little while, he sold out fast, and Kelpie, I think, and maybe Mackenzie, I don't remember. But like, it was only like half of the things, like 3 or 4 items, not all of them. If you're trying to get Cheesecake, he might not even be restocking this particular go round. So just come back next time, maybe he will restock. I know people were having issues with that, and I don't know, that's just kind of speculation, but that's what I think is happening. They're only maybe restocking half of the collection at a time, like separately. That is what I've managed to do. I am so happy, so grateful I was able to get one Benelli because he is just so pretty. And then Area on top of that, because that's a nice little horse. On Breyer's Instagram, they had said that items will be restocking on Saturday approximately every 2 hours, starting at 12:30 p.m. Eastern time, with a break at 6:30 while we get ready to announce this year's Saturday raffle winners and do the portion of the Saturday live auction. I will get to that next, but we will restock again at 8:30 and 10:30 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, I do not know anything if they are restocking like late through the night or not. I really don't know anything about that because I'm not international. And on tomorrow, Sunday inventory will be available at 10 a.m. Eastern time, and then approximately every 2 hours after that. Basically, at 10 a.m. Eastern, every 2 hours, just keep track of that. Supposedly, I would guess on the hour they would restock. I don't know. Like I said, my only advice is to just keep refreshing the page literally over and over and over again, and until you can get in and try and get what you are looking for. So there is that. Special runs. I know a lot of people were really frustrated this afternoon, this evening, because the checkout was freezing up. I did not have an issue with that. I think I got Area like right before that happened. So I know that was frustrating. I think they figured it out, but that is tiresome. That was the frustration of the day. So now let's go to the live auction. So I don't really know. I don't really have a whole lot of interest in the auction horses, just because they're just really expensive, like obviously, and I don't, I am more into like a lot of regular run models. I'm really happy with my regular run models. I don't follow the live auction. I think it'd be cool if, like, maybe if you're actually there, but I had no interest watching a virtual auction. So anyway, I guess there is an auction that's supposed to happen. Here we are. Yeah, here we are. On Saturday evening, but they moved it to Sunday, right after the Sunday auction. You're interested in that, I guess you're going to have a really long auction day tomorrow afternoon, and you need to reset your password as soon as possible to ensure uninterrupted access. So yikes, that seems a little bit like that would be a problem. Kind of glad I'm not trying to do the live auction, or just don't have interest in that. And there's a whole bunch of information on that. They were having login issues. That's really difficult, as always. I went in and watched the Meet the Horses. I watched Benelli. His family is really cool. I love their shiny purple wagon. There's Cheesecake. He is an adorable horse. Like, I'm not really that fond of the model, but the horse, like the actual horse, is just hilarious little dude. Oh my goodness, there's really big rain. I don't know if you can hear that or not. WH Top Gun is a beautiful horse. He just has the sweetest little face. And I want to go in and watch a few more of these. So I did watch that. I have heard that, like, as far as entertainment goes, the horses, Celebration of Horses is really good. I do need to watch that. I do want to see that, and not miss out on it. I had wanted to watch the Parade of Breeds, but I don't know what this is. It an actual parade, or is it just individual things about each breed? It's kind of individual things about each breed. That's okay. Maybe I'll still check that out. So as far as entertainment, I have not done a whole lot of entertainment today. I kind of want to do that this evening now that I'm less stressed out about trying to get my store specials. And I can just hang around and wait until my special run time tomorrow. What did I watch? I watched Oliver somewhere in here. Anyway, I watched Oliver, the police horse guy. He's really cool. I want his model. Anyway, they were doing like a tour around the Kentucky Horse Park. Well, that rain is bad. Anyway, And so I watched that. That was pretty cool. So like I said, tonight I think I'm probably going to be watching some stuff, trying to actually enjoy the event. I have not gotten around to making my Arabian halter yet. I have not looked in the Artisans Gallery. I haven't done a whole lot. Celtic Breeds. Oh, that's that. Virtual tours. Haven't done a virtual tour yet. So, yeah, I think that kind of is about all the updates I had to give. I wanted to share my experience about the store specials, just that you should be, just keep trying and, don't give up. Keep trying and you should be able to get your store specials that you're interested in. It just takes some work. And wasn't interested in a grab bag or a warehouse treasure. So I don't know, but my thoughts would be the same. Just keep refreshing. What I thought of is that instead of Breyer Fest, this has turned into a Restock at Refresh Fest. That's like really funny. Like tragic but accurate. Yeah, this is just the information about the restock. That's a cute. Mackenzie is cute. My special runtime will be coming up to tomorrow at 1 p.m. So I will see how that goes. We'll see who I get picked for. I think I want Le and Hamish instead of Ash. But we'll just see what I get. Oh, these are all like, okay, we have shoe, backpack. What on, like, goodness, this is like not good. Okay. Special run close-ups. Can we, okay, that's just not gonna work. That's fine. Anyway, since I got Benelli, I think it would be really cool if I was able to get Le, and then I think I would like Hamish just because he's like a really pretty like cow bull and he's really like fun. He'd be the only non-equine in my collection. So I don't know, that's kind of who I'm hoping for. We will see how tomorrow goes for me. So that is going to be the end of this video. Tell us how your second day of Breyer Fest went. Were you able to get a regular store special? Did you order? Do you want a glossy one? How did special runs go for you today? Did you have issues with the checkout? Did you have any other issues that I just like skipped over? What was today like for you? Are you enjoying the entertainment or are you just here for the models? Tell us down below. Do not forget to check out my model horse Instagram, which is BreyerBeauty104. That is going to be it for this video, and I will see you next time.